How far now? Now remember what I tell you. I say I'll give you a detail of how that my week go from that mastercraft program code 316, and by Monday I don't travel go by Yesa for hackathon. Now just quick highlight with this one. I will still break them down one by one. It was amazing. Now the collaboration between NCDMB and MML Consulting Limited, they come together to make sure say they do this hackathon to see ideas where young people, permit me Gen Zs, could bring come out. And I tell you, it was really amazing. And man, if you see the NCDMB building, Jesus Christ, ooh, you Google them online, you see by yourself. It makes sense. Die. So it might just show you some part of the inside. I know be camera person. I know go with my crew, so now let me go. So, but just see the place where we do the event. It's in sharp. Okay, anyways. Now so we take fly, yo. The journey of the fly many. United Nigeria mess me up for some place, especially when they come back, but we listen with those joy. Ibom Air, good work. Those ones the sharp where. Anyways, they see, I see sharp inside this plane. I was stressed sharp because of that code 316 program and everything where they go on, but it's fine. See when they entered the location, the NCDMB, but the place sharp. I just they shake. You know, see me, I'm a village boy now. I never see this kind of thing before. The place just sharp. You know, since I just the record, they all know say, this guy, Amospikins. See the first time why they call the name the way it's supposed to be. No be Amospikins. This village boy don't show. First of all, the person where I want to talk about. Hey God. Miss Ijeoma Nwakuche. Permit me if I no call her where. This woman is amazing. She's the managing director of MML Consulting. You know, the company we collaborate with NCDMB. She's amazing. As in, she tell me some things will bust my head. I see say, man, for this country, we say people they play, man, people they run things. So opportunity to just say thank you so much, man, for bringing me in. Then now to talk about my guy, Michael Meme. I hope I don't call the name anyhow. Now this guy, now first talk to me for X. Man, I've seen a scam before. You tell me, say, man, see this thing, we didn't already, we need to go. Great guy. As in, Michael, you be man. Now him be I think now him be HR and executive assistant to the MD. Yes, to that woman, that great woman, just now I just talk about. And then see Mr. Zek. Now what we they call him? Now what we they call him? He might tell you now in full name. Mr. Isaac Unkerio Mem. I be Unkerio Wem. Jesus Christ. I might just say Mr. Isaac. Now him be the project lead. But now him be brand and business development for under MML Consulting. Man, Baba great, man. Baba took care of me. Because now here Michael be my direct liaison. I say, I chop. They do me well. They treat me like king. Una well done. Thank you so much, guys. We will do this again. We go do them again, oh yes, so we must do it. I don't talk for my platform, so I must come carry me next year. So thank you guys for the opportunity. And then let's talk about the director himself, the director of the NCDMB, Dr. Abdul Malik Halilu. Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity. Great man, oh. Man, when he was talking, he gets some points where he just the brain say, people like this still did this country. Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity. And then see my participants now. I know some of them never know my role for the hackathon. I may be their facilitator and their guide. And I may guide them on waiting to do, how to approach the tech thing and blah, 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 advice and all that. If they get technical problem, now me still the package and they go. These are the judges for the event. Amazing guys. People sabi work for this country. Oh, see our chairman again. Now director be that. But anyways, we'll still get to the participants very well. See the hall. See when people they listen. See, I don't know. I'm not sure I don't go this kind of place for my life before. Village boy. Hey, I remember when this one, when they call the person where win. There's a long story behind it. This is the guy that won. This guy. Oh God. You know the funny thing we say, 5 minutes to when in presentation time we reach like this, baba. In system crash. We have to quickly set up with something else, make it present. I don't even look, say, go win. See whether they present gift now. See Mr. Tomison, the strong MC. In fact, more workers more enter where we take the we say a facilitator, I'll call them now. See Favor, strong guy. See Anosike. See this guy, see this. Very calm guy. Very calm guy. He use AI one fit. Shamsuddin, my guy from the north. This guy, oh my God. See, you know, not say I should grow for Sokoto. Baba, not announce the Sabi book. I dey tell you, they're ready for this book. This Shamsuddin guy. When will they come back? Say me, I ain't there for the same hotel. We just dey get conversation. They look say, this young guy, this guy, they go places. If they tell me wetin coding don't do for am, the project wey he don't build, hackathon wey he don't. I say what? And the funny thing is, he has this issue. Na stammerer I be. Man use words. He was a stammerer because I dey talk this video. So Shamsuddin, as you dey see am, believe say you don't heal, you don't collect your healing. You get my number now. Believe say God don't heal you. Jesus Christ don't really heal you. You know what I mean now. Anyways, may we move on. This is Favor. Now him be the second runner up. He and Anosike, and then be second. They carry second together. The team say this Anosike guy, Jesus, you know say don't they do business since. The guy don't take for business. The way they present, everybody just they clap. Everybody just they clap. See Shamsuddin again now. Even with that small issue with him speaking, Baba still presents something very great. As in, they blew my mind. And the funny thing be say, they did this overnight. I met with them around 11, a bit 10 p.m., 11 p.m. And God, what they came up with in the morning, no be joke, no be just see them. We had a medical doctor too among us, the only lady among us, medical doctor. See now, when director they shake the guy will win. They gave them high end. What did they call this laptop again? Alienware. The first three runner up. So now here and I see them when they congratulate them. Oof. They were automatically absorbed into technology department of NCDMB. So because they did great job. Now just for them to graduate, finish from university, may they enter. If they see them, they shake the judges. See us for the event now. See us now. Everywhere you're sharp. So thank you guys. Bayelsa was amazing. Even though I had to pass through 3 states to reach there by flight. But thank you guys. I chopped Bayelsa native soup. I don't even know the name, but they call her native soup. Baba, it's sharp. Anyways, bye.